Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best in collectibles and fine art. Today, we have something truly exciting for baseball enthusiasts and collectors alike. We're diving into the world of mystery packs with the generic Baseball Mystery Hot Pack. This product is touted as the best in rare baseball cards, and we're here to uncover what makes it so special. The generic Baseball Mystery Hot Pack is a treasure trove for anyone looking to enhance their baseball card collection. Each pack contains 20 baseball cards, offering a rich variety that's perfect for both seasoned collectors and beginners. What sets this pack apart is its unique combination of cards, including 1 graded or autographed card, 14 rookie cards from 2018 or newer, and 5 special parallels. Imagine the thrill of unpacking this assortment, knowing that each card could be a hidden gem. The excitement doesn't stop there. Each mystery pack includes high-quality graded cards from reputable grading companies like PSA, SGC, BGS, or HGA, or an autographed card, adding significant value to your collection. With cards sourced from leading modern sets such as Bowman, Topps Series 1 and 2, Topps Chrome, and Topps Heritage, you can expect a diverse selection that features popular players and potential rare finds. For avid collectors, this mystery hot pack is not just a purchase, it's an experience. The unboxing thrill is amplified by the anticipation of discovering what's inside. Every pack offers a unique selection, meaning you might stumble upon a rookie card from an up-and-coming player or a legendary card that completes your collection. It's that element of surprise that keeps collectors coming back for more, eager to see what the next pack will reveal. Now, you might be wondering why you should consider the generic Baseball Mystery Hot Pack over other products in the market. The answer lies in its quality and value proposition. Unlike standard packs that offer no guarantees, this mystery pack provides the assurance of high-quality cards, including graded and autographed ones, which are often harder to come by. Moreover, with the growing popularity of baseball card collecting, especially among younger generations, investing in a mystery pack like this could also yield substantial returns over time. As you build your collection, you're not just acquiring cards, you're also potentially investing in pieces that may appreciate in value. So, if you're looking to enhance your collection or simply want to enjoy the thrill of the unknown, the generic Baseball Mystery Hot Pack is an outstanding choice. It combines quality, variety, and the excitement of surprise, making it a must-have for any baseball card enthusiast. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want to stay updated on the latest collectibles, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy collecting, and until next time.